Another trade show is behind us, this time focused on the furniture industry. We showcased what we do best, technology that performs in real-world production. Our clients push our machines to the limit. Their products make an impression. We just provide the right tools. Leaders in the furniture industry have been using our machines for years because they know that quality starts at the machining stage. Bed frames, mailboxes, metal structures, fittings, built-ins. In this industry where there's no room for error, one thing matters most: precision. Our laser cutters, press brakes are exactly where they belong. In companies focused on efficiency, repeatability, and growth, you don't have to wait. With our large warehouse stock, machines are available immediately, they're ready to ship, and ready to get to work from day one. Place your order, and we'll take care of the rest. Delivery, installation, and on-site training, all included. Contact us at 630-302-1532 or visit our website, otinus.com.
Otinus, we serve you.